Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to tap on the settings and here let's choose About Phone. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore and scroll down to the Google Backup and Reset section. Now the backup is off. To turn it on, just tap here and click on the switcher. Let's get back, and now we have to add a backup account, so let's tap on it. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, and click on Next. Now we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and click on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, if you want to read it, just tap on it and choose the one you want to read, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got the backup and storage info. Click on Accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. Let's click on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google Backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored in your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your POCO X3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.